What's going on, guys? Welcome back for another update video. So first off, I hope you guys had a wonderful Memorial Day, had a lot to eat, and shot some fireworks. So hope you guys had fun, and it's Tuesday, back to work. But besides that, we have an update video on the Audi R8 by revell Germany, and progress is coming along great. So what only thing is done is the interior, the chassis I didn't touch yet, and the body I gotta do some work on that, but we'll show you guys that here in a sec. So the interior is all done and it looks lovely. So we got the N.Y.S. Hall red going on here, XF9 Hall red, and that just looks wonderful in there on the door panels and all that good stuff. So, and the dash and stuff is all semi-gloss black. It looks pretty good. Flocked it, and it looks, I gotta say, it looks pretty good. And as you see, you got the carbon fiber decals on there, as I mentioned on my last update video. So I did it on the corner down here. It goes all the way along the dash to here. Like I said, a bit on there too. So the carbon fiber looks very lovely. Loved how that turned out. I put a little coat of the N.Y.S. clear on it just to protect it and give it a little shine. So that looks pretty good. I really love how that turned out. Adds more detail to the interior. So that's pretty much it for the interior. Like I said, very simple, but it's actually a very good interior. Went together very well. No fitment issue. Door panels just literally snapped into the dashboard and it just fall in. The seats are not glued in. They actually have pins on down here on each side, and you just clicks right in. So the seats are not glued in, so they're just pressure fit in there. So yeah, the interior is done and it looks lovely. I'll put some N.Y.S. gloss clear on the screen and the gauges, because make it look like there's glass behind it and all that good stuff. But yeah, the interior, this is actually pretty fun to build. I actually enjoyed building that. The chassis, I'm not going to get to this update video. That's going to be the next video, so stay tuned. But I do want to mention, I do got the carbon fiber decal on this cover of the engine, so that looks very lovely. Called that N.Y.S. clear on there. So, and then let's move on to the body. Let's go ahead and raise you guys up. And we got the body. So I actually chose the wrong color for the video. I forgot which color I was actually painting it in. So this is the actual color of the car, and this is the Audi color. I've been wanting to do it in this color for since I got the kit. I just bought the wrong color for my last update video, so apologize for that. But just flocking all over my body. That's why you see little flakes on there. But besides that, body's actually very good. Turned out pretty good. Just trying to get as much flocking off of it. So there's orange peel on the body, of course, because the modeling world is not perfect. You're gonna get some orange peel and all that good stuff. But other than that, it looks pretty good. I will do a how-to video on how I polish my bodies, because I do get a lot of comments on how I do it. So I'm gonna do probably I'm not gonna get in huge detail into how I do it, but I will explain how I do it, and just a short how-to video on how I polish my models. Make it look a million times better at the end. We did get the carbon fiber on the fence there, and that was a joy to do. That was pretty good. That was a joy. I enjoyed doing that. It was a good challenge. So that actually looks pretty good. That was pretty fun. So, but yeah, you got the back on there. There's carbon fiber. I'm not really sure if you can see it right here, but there's carbon fiber on these vents here. I'm not really sure you can see that. The lighting is, well, you can see a little difference. There you go. So yeah, it looks pretty good. Got the black on the A pillar and it looks pretty good. So like I said, I'm gonna do a how-to video on how I power wash my bodies, because like I said, I got a lot of comments on how I do it. So you can be seeing that here in a couple of days, probably end this week. I'm probably gonna post it. But yeah, the body actually looks pretty good. And the wheels, we did get the wheels all painted up, and this gloss. Actually, I clear coated the wheels also, so paint them flat black actually, and then I gloss coat them, and they look lovely, and they're gonna look a million times better under here than the kit ones, especially the front ones, because the front ones Revell didn't measure it too well. So, well, either point, it's not focusing, but either point. But that's pretty much about it for now, guys. I want to do a short update video, get the interior out of the way. Then next update video, we're going to focus on the chassis. The chassis might be finished by the time the update video will come up. But like I said, you'll be seeing a power washing how-to video from me by end this week. So stay tuned if you want to figure out how I do it. But other than that, that's it for now. Like I said, I hope you guys had a wonderful Memorial Day. And until my next video, I'll catch you guys later. Bye for now.